Hi guys, what are we gonna do today? You know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do these fun little envelopes. So during World War II, soldiers wanted to write letters. I guess it was in Russia. They would have to make them self-contained because you had no envelopes and you couldn't seal them because they had to ensure what was written inside was not secret. So we are gonna do this cute fold and I'm gonna show you how to decorate your own and design your own. Let's get started. So here are some different designs that I came up with that were fun. I'm gonna have 2 templates in there that you can just use and print yourself, or I'm gonna show you how you can design your own. So here's a cute little bear one that I had done up. It's in color here, but I did it as black and white because I really liked that. And here's the one we're gonna concentrate on. And what I find is when I'm designing my template, I do it on white paper because I just print it onto whatever color paper I want. So you're just using black and white ink. Here, I am just using an 8.5 by 11 sheet of white paper. Now I'm going to show you how I fold it first. I'm bringing this top right corner down and we are making a triangle. So I thought this was kind of fun to do just like what they had done a long time ago. Bring the top left point down, and this is just so simple. And fold that down. And the last part, to secure it, I'm just gonna turn my paper a little so it makes it easier. Bring these 2 bottom corners up. Just like that. Just to hold this first flap open. Slide this in as far as you can get it in there, so it should be close to the edge. Fold that down. And that's how they secured their envelope. Whatever you design on this top corner is what you would be printing up. You could just open this paper up now, and you're just gonna remember it's right there. This is where I am gonna put my design, like I've done with this one and this one. And afterward, you can put this in your printer and just copy off your papers onto any color paper. And you'll know it'll be right where it needs to be, and all you have to do is fold them up. So here's the bunny that I had done, and I printed it out onto this brown paper. So now all I'm gonna do is fold it and fold it. And you could write a wonderful message inside. You can print out lots of them, and easy peasy. So after you've designed your original, I said I did it on white paper, and you fill it in, you can make it into an invitation, you could even have it stand at a place setting, you could actually write a letter in there, so whatever you would like to do. A few of these, I even just used brown paper and decoupaged some fun paper on the top to do some unique, simple ones with fun printed paper. But you can see if you had a specific design, you could just photocopy it off and you'd be done and it'd be right in the right spot. Whatever you do, have fun.